Hi, this video shows you the way to apply Bestskinsever film onto the keyboard. What? I think you might have this in mind. Who will waste the time applying the skin to the keyboard? Yes, I have applied the skin to the Apple keyboard because it's the keyboard I'm fond of. Let me show you. This is the Apple Pro keyboard which has applied the best skins ever. And this one is the one which haven't applied any skin on it. As we use the keyboard day by day, our fingers hit the keyboard day by day. After constant pounding, there will be finger marks on the keys of the keyboard. To make the keyboard always look like new, one can apply the Bestskinsever skins onto the keyboard. Why I choose the Bestskinsever? Because they have a customized a DIY skin which you can customize the skin into the shape of keyboard, the shape of keys of the keyboard. To make the DIY skins for the keys of the keyboard, we need the following accessories like the pen, ruler and scissors, glue stick, ink, the skin, a piece of paper, and solution, which is a mixture of 300 ml water and 1.5 ml liquid soap. First of all, we need to remove the keys from the keyboard by the ruler, one by one. And then we have to use the water to clean it and detergent to clean it. And after the key dries, we will apply it with ink and stamp it on the paper. One by one. And all the keys will be removed from the keyboard, and then have the same procedure with those keys. And then there will be all the keys will be stamped on the paper, and then we will use the glue stick to stick the paper with the shield. I just use make 3 as an example. Suppose now the glue stick has dried, and we cut those keys from the skin. Now we have customized skins for the keys, and the next step we have to clean the keys so that all the ink will be washed completely out. Now the skins are ready for installation. We have prepared the solution, and we remove the back paper from the skin and then apply the mixture and then place it on the keys. One by one. All the keys use the same procedure, and after the water dries, we can reinstall it back to the keyboard. After the full installation, the keyboard will become shiny as always. Thank you for watching this video today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.